Welcome to Alexicom Tech. I'm going to walk you through how to create pages using the Alexicom Pro subscription on the cloud. Once you've registered, you will have a login, whatever username you created, so you can log in with your username and password. Once you have subscribed, when you log in, on the left you will see authoring tools, and this little flyout has all of our tools, including how to edit pages, and this is also where you're going to create pages. You can test pages, any of the pages that you created. You can test that the links work and that the spoken sounds the way you want it to sound, as well as you can explore any of our pages in our public library. The copy tool is where you can copy pages or images from our public library into your account. You can edit images or create images of your own, such as text-based images that are different colors in the background. Once you're done creating your pages or copying the pages into your account, you can publish the pages onto your Android or iOS device. So when you're in the device, you'll go to the app, and the Publish Pages button at the bottom will link you to our server, which you'll see the same tools, the authoring tools, and the Publish Pages after you log in. If you're a school district or larger company that has several users, this is where you'll manage your user accounts. And then here are tutorials on how to use our different tools. I'm going to go ahead and go to Edit Pages so you can see how to create a page. You'll select your client, which is your account, and then you'll see your page set will be empty. It's empty until you copy page sets into your account under the Copy tool. I'm going to go ahead and make a page. I'll select 4 rows, 4 columns. I'm going to go ahead and name my page One Home. That way this is the first page that will come up because it is alphabetical. And then I'm going to go ahead and select from our AT&T voices. I'm going to go ahead and select AT&T Lauren. I can choose the speech rate that I would like, as well as if I want the buffer at the top to show where the words go into after I've pushed a button. And then you can decide to show links or not show links, which is the little blue triangle that shows up in the corner to show that a cell links to another page. So once I've made those choices, I can create the page. For these choices, you can choose these at any point, and it would cover your whole account. So I've created the page One Home. I'm going to go ahead and select it, and you can see that on each cell it has an edit and a clear. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit so you can see all of the tools that you need to edit this cell are in this cell. You don't have to go out anywhere else. I can choose an image that's already on my computer if I wish. I can select a web image, and then I'm going to paste the address for that web image here, which I'll show you in a minute. I can choose a server image, which right now my account is empty, but this is again where you're going to use the Copy tool to copy any images from our public library into the account. And then I can type in the label as well as the spoken, and this is also where I would link any pages. So you do have to create the page first, and then you can link it. So I'm going to go ahead and find an image for food. Now there is a restriction on the size of the image. It does have to be a 640 by 640 or less. So once I find the image that I want, and sometimes I even have the users work with me and pick out the image that they want to use and make it more personal. So once I find the image, I click on the image so I get all the way to the image's address. Then I'm going to actually copy the address, not the image. And then I'll paste that address here. And then I can go ahead and label the image. One little trick that we use at Alexicom is if is going to link but not speak, we will label in all capitals. I'm going to go ahead and put in a spoken starter phrase of I'm hungry. And again, this completely depends on the user. If the user creates grammatically correct sentences, you may want to leave these spoken words out because there's single words in the food label. And again, this completely depends on the user. Now, if I had already created the food page, this is where I would link it. I'm going to go ahead and leave it none because I haven't. And then once I've done all of that, I just click Update, and that cell's ready to go. And that's how you create or edit a page on the Alexicom Pro subscription level.